Okay, folks. Now, example number 2 says on graph or dot paper, we're going to use graph paper. I stuck some here. And guys, online, you can print some off if you need it, right? I have it on the front page. You can just print off graph paper if you need graph paper. It says, draw 2 different parallelograms that have an area of 36 square units. All right, anybody have an idea how we're going to do this? 36 square units. How are we going to do this, CB?
I think so. You draw and then you box.
Now, CB said I should draw. That's not the first thing I'm going to do. What's the very first thing that I need to do before I can start drawing them, Suzette? Well, I do need to write my formula. What is my formula? Area equals what?
Base times height.
Awesome. Base times height. Okay? Well, wait a minute. What numbers multiply together to give me 36 square units? That I have to know before I can start drawing stuff. Okay, let's see. Eric. 6 times 6. Okay. We could do that one. What else? What else, Sam?
2 times 18.
2 times 18. That would work. What else, Pace?
36 and 1.
36 times 1. Any other pairs? Maggie? 12 and 3. Definitely. Reagan?
4 and 9.
4 and 9. You know what? Normally when I'm writing factors, I actually organize them a little differently. Can I show you how I organize them? This is the way I do it. You guys did a great job with that, by the way. But watch. Does 1 go into it? Yes. 36 times. Does 2 go into it? Yes. 18 times. Does 3 go into it? Yes. 12 times. Does 4 go into it? Yep. 9 times. Does 5 go into it?
No.
No. What about 6?
Yes.
How many times?
6.
Once these two numbers either equal each other or match up, I can stop. These are all the pairs that give me 36. Okay? Now, let me ask you this. Since I'm using this graph paper right here, which 2 make the most sense to draw? Which 2 make the most sense to draw? Sarah? 6 and 6, that's 1. We'll draw that one. What's another one that I should draw? What do you think, Ian?
4 and 9.
4 and 9. 1 and 36 is probably a little too big for my graph paper here, right? Okay? So, the first thing I'm going to do, Jack, I'm going to draw 6 and 6. Okay? Now, I'm going to draw the base. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? And I'm going to let the height be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, you see I should connect these 2 lines like that. Now I'm going to draw another line over 6. Is that 6? Is that 5? That's 6. And then I'm going to draw it down. Oh, didn't like the last one. That's better. Does everybody like that parallelogram?
Yeah.
You think you can do that on your own?
I do.
Beautiful. Now, let's draw the 4 and 9. I'm going to draw the 9 down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Harry, that's a great question. I'm going to answer it in just a second. The height, let's make the height go here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so I'm going to connect those 2. Now I'm going to draw another line that's 9 long, 9 units long, and then I'm going to connect the corners. That's another parallelogram that has 36 square units. Now you know what Harry asked? He said, isn't a square a parallelogram too? Does it have to be slanted like that? It doesn't have to be slanted like that. A square is a parallelogram. But are all parallelograms squares? No. Some are, some aren't. Everybody happy with this one? I like it. But look, what's happening to the time? It's running out.
Wait, let it cut you off.
No.